What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Again, we're reacting to some Meat Canyon, and this one we're going to be reacting to a very short one, Return of the King of Mukbang. If I'm pronouncing that right. But before we get into the rest of the video, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's get into it. That boy Nikocado Avocado or something like that. Damn. All that fat, dude. That's crazy. Oh my god. That video was kind of cringe. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys up on the next one.